Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. What is the nervous system? The hidden network controlling your body right now. As you listen to this, your heart is beating, your lungs are breathing, your eyes are blinking, your brain is processing every sound, every word, and every thought, and most of it is happening automatically, hidden deep inside your body. There is an incredible communication network working every second of your life. A system so powerful, so fast, and so complex that it controls nearly everything you do. This system is called the nervous system. And today, you are going to discover how this hidden network controls your body, your thoughts, your emotions, your movements, and even your survival. So relax. Take a slow breath and let's begin. Part 1. What is the nervous system? The nervous system is the body's communication network. It sends messages between different parts of your body, your brain, your spinal cord, your organs, your muscles, and your senses, all connected through billions of tiny nerve cells called neurons. Neurons are special cells that carry electrical signals every time you move your hand. Feel pain, taste food, or hear music. Your nervous system is working. Without it, your body could not function. Part 2. The brain. At the center of the nervous system is the brain. The brain is often called the control center of the human body. It controls thought, memory, movement, emotion, learning, decision-making, and survival. The average human brain contains around 86 billion neurons. Each neuron connects to thousands of other neurons, creating one of the most complex systems in the known universe. Different parts of the brain have different jobs. The cerebrum helps with thinking, language, and memory. The cerebellum helps with balance and coordination, and the brain stem controls automatic actions like breathing, heartbeat, and sleeping. Even while you sleep, your brain remains active. Part 3. The spinal cord. Connected to the brain is the spinal cord, a long, thick bundle of nerves running through your back. The spinal cord acts like a giant information highway. Messages travel from the brain, through the spinal cord and out to the body. And messages from the body travel back to the brain the same way. For example, if you accidentally touch something hot, your skin immediately sends danger signals through the nerves, up the spinal cord, and to the brain. In a fraction of a second, your body reacts. You pull your hand away, almost automatically. This fast reaction is called a reflex. Part 4. The peripheral nervous system. The nervous system is divided into two main parts: the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system includes the brain and spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system includes all the nerves throughout the rest of the body. These nerves connect your brain to your arms, legs, organs, skin, and muscles. Think of it like a giant communication network. Without these nerves, the brain could not communicate with the body. Part 5. The autonomic nervous system. Some parts of the nervous system work automatically, without conscious control. This is called the autonomic nervous system. It controls things like breathing, digestion, heartbeat, blood pressure, and sweating. Right now, you are breathing without thinking about it. Your heart is beating without permission. Your body temperature is adjusting automatically. That is the autonomic nervous system working silently in the background. The autonomic nervous system has two major divisions: the sympathetic nervous system and the parasympathetic nervous system. The sympathetic system prepares the body for stress or danger. This is called the fight or flight response. Your heart beats faster. Your muscles tense. Your breathing increases. Your body prepares to survive. The parasympathetic system does the opposite. It calms the body down, slows the heart, and helps the body rest and recover. These two systems constantly balance each other, keeping the body stable. Part 6. How the nervous system creates feelings. Your emotions are also connected to the nervous system. Fear, happiness, excitement, stress, love, all involve signals moving through the brain and body. When you feel nervous before an important event, your nervous system reacts physically. Your heart may race, your palms may sweat, your stomach may tighten. Part 7. How to protect your nervous system. Because the nervous system controls so much, protecting it is extremely important. Sleep is essential. During sleep, the brain repairs itself and processes information. Healthy food also matters. The brain needs nutrients to function properly. Exercise improves blood flow to the brain and nervous system. Stress management is important too. Long periods of stress can overload the nervous system. That is why relaxation, deep breathing, and rest are so powerful. Even simple habits can affect brain health. Learning new skills, reading, social interaction, and physical movement all help keep the nervous system active and healthy. The nervous system is one of the most incredible systems in the human body. It controls movement, thought, memory, emotion, breathing, heartbeat, and survival itself. Your brain and spinal cord form the central control system, and billions of nerves connect every part of your body together. Every sensation, every movement, every thought, every emotion depends on this hidden network silently working inside you every second of your life. And even now, as you continue listening, your nervous system is helping you hear, understand, remember, and imagine everything you have learned today. And there is still so much more to discover about the incredible systems hidden inside the human body. So let's continue exploring together. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.